So for this week's progress, I have implemented a machine learning algorithm to estimate the input image. We can tell what food is it, and we can tell the calories contained in this food. So for this algorithm, I used the food 101 dataset to train my algorithm. And you can see here we got many types of food, and we have the images for training. And so for the algorithm, we basically use the TensorFlow, and we define the data generators, and we build the models. I have tested the VGG16 and MobileNet V2. However, both of them takes about 2 hours and for one epoch, and we are tuning the parameters to achieve a better performance of our model. And I have performed one epoch in our model, and I have generated the uh, epoch 1.h5, and I can use this to estimate the input, the input image. We can tell what food is it, and we can estimate the calories in the image. And we're planning to tune the model better in the next and following weeks, and we planning to merge this function into our project in the future.
Okay, so here's my work. On this week, I just do more things on backend. On as spoken before, it is implemented using Flask, and we can see the backend is successfully running, and uh, and this file can successfully return the HTML file to the front end. So this week, the most work I've done is writing a front end, and we because the IoT is mobile phone, and mobile phone is a really important endpoint device for us for our project. So here we made a Android application. So here is a basic structure of this software. So here we made a tool a tab bar here which will display three pages, and one is for map display, and one for total calorie analysis, and one is for and still idle, and this page is for setting. So in this page, the user will use this page to upload the image, and then it will get the image, the calorie the food contains. So here is a basic structure, and next week I will just focus in getting the request from the backend and display it on Android phone, and we and also need to uh, submit the upload the image to the backend server for analysis.
So this is week we realize that everyone has different weights and heights. So in order to accurately calculate calorie consumption, so we decide to use this data from user to improve the calculation. So we put the weight and height for the users. They can input the data to calculate accurately. So first step we can assumption is 17 and height. So the total calorie is like 2.79. It's for this way person. And another one calorie consumption we did is the net is calculate the number of the step a person takes every day. So this can be commuting and or student go to school, or some person would like to like take some step taking a work on that day. So we basically use Husband formula to calculate the distance between two GPS points, and estimates calorie cost based on the distance and the number of steps. So we can see this is a formula here, and we also like put the user way. And this is like GPS data is such as like a longitude, latitude. We prefer to use that. And also the steps. So for the output, we can run in the so this is like the total distance based on the GPS data, and this is calorie cost for the user on that day for the steps. This is our like calorie consumption for this week.